Periodic table and elements. A periodic table shows the properties of all the known elements in the order of their increasing atomic numbers, arranged in rows and columns. The atomic number of an element in the periodic table is the number of protons in each element for that atom. A periodic table gives information about the valence electrons in atoms. The valence electrons have the highest energy for an element in the atom. A periodic table row is called a period, and the column is called a group. The number of valence electron increases from left to right across each period, except for period 1. Each of the other periods in the periodic table ends with an element that has 8 valence electrons. The elements in a group always have the same number of valence electrons. Thus, the elements in a group have similar properties. Periodic table facts. 1. In period 2 and 3 of the periodic table, each element has one more valence electron than the element to its left. 2. Group 1 elements have 1 valence electron. Group 2 elements have 2 valence electrons. Group 13 elements have 3 valence electrons. Group 14 to Group 18 elements, except for helium, have 1 more valence electron than the elements to its left. The Group 18 elements are the noble gases. The elements in Group 18, except for helium which has 2, have 8 valence electrons. The elements in Group 18 are stable. They do not easily react with other elements to gain or lose electrons. 4. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron and is considered nonmetal. Metals. The elements in orange, black and pink boxes in the periodic table are metals. The atoms in the metal react by losing their valence electrons. The reactivity of metals decrease from left to right in the periodic table. Alkali metals. The metals in the far left side of the periodic table are alkali metals. These metals are the most reactive elements. These metals when mixed with water can cause explosion. Nonmetals. The elements in green, yellow and blue boxes in the periodic table are nonmetals. The nonmetals usually combine with metals by gaining electrons. Nonmetals can also combine with other nonmetals and metalloids by sharing electrons. Metalloids. The elements in rock green boxes in the periodic table between metals and nonmetals are metalloids. Metalloids either lose or share their electrons when they combine with other elements. Metalloids have properties of both metals and nonmetals.